So what up, fam? I have here my pit bike that I haven't started up in 2 years. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna see if this thing actually starts up, and we're actually gonna do a whole clean down, and we're actually gonna sell this thing, and we're gonna see how much money I can actually make from it. Like, from me going to mechanic school, I'm actually gonna buy garbage pit bikes. I'm gonna tune them up, change the oil, clean them, put new plastic on it, and I'm actually gonna sell them. So we're gonna see if this thing runs. Just gonna put the choke up, turn the fuel on. Actually gotta put the keys in first. Alright, we're gonna start this thing up. good. So, my mistaken error, I left the choke on too long. That's why it was taking me 6.5 minutes just to kickstart that bike. All right. So as you can tell from that previous ride, this thing is gonna need like a good chunk of work. The oil's definitely gonna be changed. The gasoline's gonna have to be changed. I'm gonna adjust the chain. I'm gonna clean the air filter, change the spark plug, even change the handlebars too. I'm gonna peel the number off the front plate, and I'm gonna give it a good clean down, change the filter on the exhaust pipe. So hopefully I can make a good profit on this one. Yep, it's a 2009 Honda CRF 50 pit bike. Watch me get to town on it, watch me get to work on it. So stay fresh and watch me put it up for sale. I will let you guys know down in the comments later on when I sell the bike and what it was sold for. Peace out, have a good one.